up? It's the Ultimate Drifter, back with the fourth and final part, maybe, of my car sounds practice. If I could actually get my camera to lean, show the actual full screen. Then it won't, so actually, zoom out now. Brilliant! No idea how time this is. Right. There we go. Now, next up, the Nissan Skyline R33 Nismo GTR LM. Basically, just the same car as this, basically the same as the R33, apart from with a Nismo body kit. It's been fitted with a Nismo body kit, essentially. That's all this car is. It's just an R33 with a Nismo body kit. So the engine will be exactly the same. It's the exact same size of engine. Let's do it. Right. So first of all, what we're going to do in this car: burnouts, backfiring, anti-lag, and even drifts. We're going to go even more mental what we've done with this Skyline. Right, anti-lag. Right, let's just backfire on the middle streets of London. Right, let's get drifting. Ah, mountain. Let's mountain drift. Hill climb course. Whew! There we go. Right. So next car is oh yes. Right, we'll do the Subaru BRZ first. Right, there you go. Right, so now we're gonna do the Subaru Impreza WRX STIs. Right. Now I'm just gonna look at each and every single Subaru. I'm gonna look at this Subaru, this Subaru, this Subaru, this Subaru, this Subaru, and this Subaru, because they all sound exactly the same. Pretty much. And so let's now turn on that turbocharged flat 4 engine. Pretty sure everyone has seen and heard one of these. Maybe not that version. Maybe not that. Maybe that. Definitely that. Definitely that. Maybe not that one. But you've definitely seen that and that before. And if you've seen the Subaru, that means you've also heard the Subaru. So you should know what this. You should already be prepared what my sound sounds like. So if you're one of my pals that used to go to my old primary school, then you'd have obviously seen this and that roaming around where I live. Right. Anyway, enough of the talking. Let's turn on that turbocharged flat 4 engine. I'll go for a valid jump. Right, dino test. Was like a mad backfire. There we go. Next up, guess we are wondering, there's a new update. Yep, I have bought a Tesla, which is electric, if you can't already tell by the skin I'm putting. Anyway, right. Toyota GT86. Boy, it's a good engine. Really good car, this. Hashtag GTM. Right, there we go. You might be thinking, well, why are you stopping here at the Toyota Hilux Arctic trucks? It's because I want to take a moment here to remember Top Gear with Jeremy Clarkson, Richard Hammond, and James May. Which, as for one of their specials, the Polo Special, if you haven't seen it, I recommend you go and check it out. It was quite funny. They had used this exact truck. They literally used the exact truck. How long is the video at? I'm about to stop here and continue on the next part. We'll be doing pretty much 2 more cars. This and this. We'll see you then. Not that. The Priest. What?